So we're here at the Elite Welding Academy Cincinnati campus. It is Saturday, April 11th, and we are here early getting all set up and getting ready for the second annual Elite Welding Academy Weld Competition. Today, here in about an hour, we've got roughly about 120 people that are going to be showing up to compete for some pretty hefty scholarships for programs at Elite Welding Academy. So we're extremely excited. We're going to get in there and get all set up. I hope you enjoy the video.
Yeah, that's what.
So how's it going today?
Good. How are you?
Good. What'd you just finish?
Doing a 6 to 10 T-joint strength test.
How'd you do?
I passed.
You passed?
There's only 2 people so far.
Only 2 so far?
Hopefully a third.
So you play in the leagues?
A little bit.
How's it going?
Good.
Having fun today?
Always.
Seems like there's some good energy out here.
Every day. Yep.
How's it going, Mike?
Doing good. Doing really good.
What are we doing here?
We're cutting a house out. See how good they can do on the chimney right there.
Anybody done a good job yet?
Well, here's what we got over here. Not too bad so far. This one here, I like that one.
Okay.
Yeah. We'll line them all up, check them out.
Awesome. How'd it go?
It could have gone a lot better, but I cut it out, so successful.
Okay, so do you think you have a chance of winning this one?
The oxy-fuel, I don't know about that, because I practice oxy-fuel welding instead of cutting out.
Okay.
But I think I have a chance with the stick welding.
Great turnout.
We got some good competition in today?
Well, they're definitely trying to earn some stripes, but we'll have to wait to find out.
All right.
Okay, so I'll ask you to go find your broom and sweep everything to the back wall, put your rods in the rod bucket for me, and then you're free to go.
So you just completed the D11. How'd it go?
I started off strong, but at the end I was kind of struggling, but at the end of the day, I'm still learning, you know?
All right, so you just completed the D11. How do you feel?
I feel really good about it. I haven't done stick in a little bit, so this was kind of scary for me, but it went really well. I feel confident with it.
So at Live Oaks, were you guys practicing the D11 this past week or leading up to this?
No, I'm a senior, so we've been doing mainly TIG. And,
okay.
We've been doing a bunch of fabrication projects. So I haven't done stick in, I want to say, maybe 2-3 months. So it's been a minute, but it went really well.
We'll see if you had that instinct in you.
Yeah,
so,
we'll see.
What do you think of the turnout and the whole event here today?
I think it's a great event. It's an opportunity for people to come out and show their skills, maybe get a potential scholarship.
Yeah.
Or just get into welding, because I met a kid down there. He's a junior. He's not in a trade school, so it's his first time here.
Yeah.
first time welding.
I mean, that's probably number one so far, wouldn't you say?
Dang. I
Dude,
just
that's
interviewed that kid.
We got Jason here. Jason is the instructor at Scarlet Oaks, which is a high school welding program right down the street from Melissa. How you doing today, bud?
I'm doing great, man. I just want to thank Ben for always helping out, reaching out, inviting us to this competition. You know, I recommend everybody to come here. There's a lot of vendors here, a lot of resources, and most of all, my students are having a great time, man. You know,
How many students you got here today?
I think about 17 students. Yeah,
Wow.
It's a good time. They've been waiting for this competition for the last month or so, practicing, and we're just having an awesome time here, man. I really appreciate you guys at Elite, and thank you for inviting us, man. We're having a good time.
That's in the lead to win that Yes Welder weld machine. So
Yes.
as of right now, that's where we stand. So
We're here to win everything. We're here to win everything. That's what we're here to do.
So we got Shane here. He's the lead instructor at Butler Tech. What you think?
I tell you, we've been on board. They've been a business partner since 1997, and been working with them, helped them get the school going. They've hired a lot of my graduates who have moved into executive positions. So I think this is one of the best things that is probably best kept secret, because I don't even know how many people know you're actually here.
Right.
But you know, they do pipe in such a way that other schools don't. They put you in real world situations. I tell all my kids, if you want to be a pipe welder, this is where you need to go.
I'm also EWA alumni, graduated about 2010. Spent about a decade traveling the country, decided to retire early and come back to teach the next generation.
The winner of the second annual Elite Welding Academy weld competition here. This is David. David, say hello.
What's going on, guys?
So David, he actually didn't sign up for this competition until yesterday, and he won. He will become a student at Elite Welding Academy and will not have to pay none of the tuition cost. How you feel about that, man?
I mean, it's just so unreal to me.
Did you actually think when you showed up today that that would be the case?
No, not at all. I didn't think I was prepared enough. I didn't get to practice at school at all.
Okay.
So I just came in, you know, kind of blind, and
okay.
I just.
If you don't mind sharing with them, where do you do any welding in high school?
Yeah, I go to Live Oaks Career Campus,
which is a local career campus here in Cincinnati.
It's part of the Great Oaks.
Yep.
You know, we do every process.
Very cool. Very cool. And what grade are you in?
I'm a senior.
Perfect. Awesome. Well, I can't thank you enough for coming out. Huge congratulations for winning. That's amazing. And definitely give a shout out to the instructors there at Live Oaks.
Yeah.
They're doing
Mr.
something right over
McAfresh.
there.
He knows what it's about.
You guys are doing something right over there. So good job, bud.
Thank you.